You felt that.
Oh, that was awesome.
I felt that.
Just like that, they were gone. Probably worked out, folks, we're back at Eggborough Power Station.
Oh, we want to do ages trying to get some of the scrap.
We notice how this little piece of cooling tower wall, but it's dropped off the legs. Yeah.
So there must be, I take it the pneumatic. Like a pneumatic hose.
Yeah. But we saw the chimney come down. Looking back on the footage, you could see something go up it, like a spark.
Really? Like an igniter?
Yeah.
Definitely something. Must be a sort of a substation like that.
Possibly.
So there could be people working there that we can hear. You know what I'm looking for?
Now these fuckers.
Well, ladies, we might have just got their attention, so watch out. Nice t-shirt. Was it like this when you came?
We didn't see anybody.
No, not all. We came yesterday, no?
We came yesterday, we just heard loads and noise, so what?
They'll have been working yesterday, I reckon.
They're still working now.
Have they?
Yeah, there's
Oh shit.
I just really
Well,
wanted a shot of a digger and he's like right in my face.
Fucking hell. We just had to run because we got a bit close, literally like a couple of metres away from a guy in a digger.
Straight George, can I give this back to someone?
Yeah.
No. Just follow me a minute.
Did you get in the control room?
Yeah, the top floor.
Yeah.
Because we came yesterday and we didn't realise how much had been pulled down. We thought we were going to be in here because there's bits missing there. We thought it might have been somewhere around there. We thought fuck, we missing, but now we got in. That control room's nuts.
And it just.
It's crazy. And what's a shame as well, it's all just going to get scrapped.
I know. All those dials and things.
Yeah, you'd think that someone somewhere would really, really want that.
They're definitely working then.
Yeah, definitely, yeah. Hello, by the way. Hello.
Are we sure this is...
Mind if I get some footage of the digger? I'm going to film you guys. Yeah.
Do what you need to do.
Yeah.
You guys are so well known anyway.
We'll have security now.
Oh yeah, there is.
Like 1 or 2 people up there.
Not as many as there used to be, because have you noticed all the gym equipment just in there?
Yeah.
That was for security.
I guess.
This was a probably complete meatheads. Impressive.
Stairs going down into it.
Have you looked down there?
What? What is it?
They used to pump water from the cooling towers.
Whoa! Oh my! I thought that bottom bit was the.
This had a big electric motor on the top.
A big what?
A big electric motor.
Bloody. Fucking hell. That, do you know where that'll go? Do you know when we came in and we saw them white things that went under the building?
Just out here, that big thing coming down.
Like, kayak into it.
If you look on Google Maps, you'll see where it comes out of this building and then goes to each of the cooling towers.
Yeah,
That makes sense.
And it's good to see you again. Been a while.
Yeah, it's been a while, ain't it?
No, what you
How you getting on? You been alright?
Yeah, not bad. So,
I've seen your new
workshop.
unit, it's welded.
Yeah.
Very impressed. Very jealous.
Yeah, well, Johnny did mention something about some spray painting.
Oh, for Al's
Yeah,
bar.
so if you need somewhere,
Yeah,
you know what I mean?
Yeah, it might be a good shout.
Yeah.
It's,
If they're going to bring down to another room, well, that's just water.
Yeah, it was on its way to or back from the cooling towers.
were it built, do you know?
It opened in '68. And I think it finished in 2014.
I mean, that's ridiculous. That's the code for it.
Yeah. Yeah, there's a gate that's open.
Yesterday we were driving out. So I thought, we're getting close to this place, so I'm going to go in the control room.
So we'll move this party this way.
I'm moving all the metal. Picking it up. Well, you know, I used to work in
if you know how to build it, you know how to demolish it apart.
Did you get in through the blue door?
No.
Oh, did you? What gate? No, in the building.
What, in the control room?
Yeah.
Uh,
On the outside.
we just went straight through there. You know, it's like those concrete bits stuck up.
Have I got to be
We went
honest?
past
Or do I have to be nice?
both of them, and then there's a door on your right.
Be honest.
And you go in it, and then it's like the staircase that going up.
Yeah. We almost didn't bother. You never checked the doors. So we went around like, oh, well, we can't get in here. And then like just checked it at the last minute, so we almost missed it.
It's worth seeing though, isn't it?
Yeah.
Lloyd, I need backup.
Why?
I've been made to review stickers.
Don't ask Alex to review
but Lloyd, we've got to take into consideration this was made by an 8-year-old, so we've got to let him off.
Well, the fact that he can make a sticker in the first place.
That's a good. I like the teddy. I'd admit the barcode's a little bit big for my life.
I won't even bother with
The
that.
YouTube is lost a little bit, so that I would.
Like that tiny piece of metal. It's tied in there.
Mad down there.
Pictures in the control room. You see the pictures in the control room of like the staff. Yeah. Do you watch? I don't know if you do, but there's a TV show called Abandoned.
They did this place.
They did this
2019, wasn't it? But it went up the other day, other week.
Oh right.
Yeah.
That explain it because it was like it was mint.
There was, yeah. Well, I watched that one, and then it was the day after we was here.
Qualified.
I know it's the cooling tower controls.
Yeah.
Numbers 1 and 2 were still on, and that must have been the last unit that was used. Because there's a video on YouTube of the the last desynchronization to the grid, and it shows in the corner of the control room on unit 1, and it's filmed near that.
Right.
My wife died, so I was here with my little boy, and then it was after him.
I was in the control room in the 80s.
It was all really calmed down.
Yeah, it was all here. It was all the cooling towers were here.
You basically live here.
Well, I only live half hour down the road, so I've been popping down for a while.
We'll get off anyway.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah, nice
good
to
to
meet
see you guys again.
Eddie.
We'll have to do a catch up again soon.
Yeah, we'll be around your place.
Well, definitely call in whenever.
Be knocking on the door with ours, man.
Yeah.
Spray it for us.
Yeah,
See you
I'll do
later.
it.
Leave it with you.
No, seriously though, if you wanna.
Yeah, we
Yeah.
will do. Good show.
Appreciate it.
Also, there's the museum opening soon.
Yeah, museum will be opening soon.
How long do you reckon?
Well, we've got like a preview event on next Friday. And the guy who gave us the old Lancaster Halifax parts,
Yeah.
he's coming over from Holland to see us, and then it'll be full steam ahead to get the rest of the building done.
Sweet.
Yeah,
Have to come look sometime.
definitely. Always something happening up there. Right, we'll catch you guys soon.
Nice to meet you. Remember last time we filmed it and we all went on a break at the same time?
Yeah.
So they've either all got off for cabs and they're waiting to bust us, or they're all going for a cup of tea.
What? Do you want to one way to find out? People are looking asbestos.
Yeah, it's still working.
reckon there. The way around it is we go around this building, across there, then in and in.
Could do, yeah.
Go around there. Not that I've taken before, but I'd certainly do it.
Johnny went bright orange.
Key to the Hebex is striking at the right time, so it's from there they've got light.
Took them 2 attempts though, didn't it?
Did it?
Yeah, they came round yesterday.
Come on a Saturday, do you want to come on a Saturday?
Yeah, we took video on Saturday. We're just going to have to go for it. Oh wow, look at
Vending machine.
that. No. Oh, so this is just around the corner from there, and this is, oh wow, staple pipe chloride plant, injection boost pumps, injectors, POA availability. So that is a
6th of the 6th, 18.
well, so that's when this last run, 2018.
Must be.
Then it's all pumped. No, I don't want to cut straight across your shop. Oh. It's all quiet.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, they're serious cables. Above your head.
We need to go that side of the wall now and through. Unless the door around there's not there. But the second hook's right there.
Yeah.
That is the door. Well, I don't know if the door.
They did, but I don't know which one they tried.
Which way did they get in?
They said a blue door.
Blue door? It's not the one from there, is it?
Should we try it? Because there's a staircase at that end, isn't there?
We get to this wall here, look, we could go across, and then...
This is our friend from there.
Yeah, I think we'll get some that way. Oh shit, yeah. He's working, isn't he? Sketchy.
Right, you spun round this.
Close to me. can tell.
Oh yeah.
Energy was not.
Energy wasn't a problem, was it?
You'd look at it.
Heaters underneath the house. Well, yeah. You could even wash all your stuff, put it in your locker and it'll be dry when you come back.
Shower room.
So you just get showered in your rubbish, don't you? Bring them out, put them in your locker and dry when you come back.
Hot water wasn't a problem, wasn't it?
No. 2 miles. So you've got a hot food smell.
Yeah.
So I can get to the main bit there. The only bit we've got to be careful of is the that's what's careful of. Oh, they can probably. The only thing we have to be careful of is down there. But see, they pulled the ceilings out and they pulled the door casings out with demolition.
Yeah.
So this is going.
So this is probably the last opportunity, really.
Yeah. Might get us to slow it down. What do you reckon this was? Kitchen? Yeah, that's a cold store. I think that's a cold store. I'm sure it's back in the corner. I think that's the fridge. I think the truck is sitting in there. I don't know what's fitting in there. I don't know, I don't understand what this room is.
Something like that, was it?
It's like a one. Big strange room. Don't know what that was. I know there's an alternator. That's the alternators that were.
Pretty impressive.
This is maybe like a training room.
Maybe, yeah.
Yeah, cooling system for the alternator. And then there's a shower in the corner.
Looks more like a decontamination shower.
Do you reckon they had training rooms here? Switch. And meter. I can only think this is for training rigs, and that was like the power supply for the training rigs.
Training or maybe testing?
Testing, yeah.
Yeah.
Turn it on.
Oh, that is the power station smell.
Switch gear. Metal leaves in here then. So the side coming in.
Yeah.
They've been getting interrupted, haven't they?
£110 DC.
It's 2011. So So this must have had a bit of relief in this one, you know. It's even got the new three-phase colours. So that means that the little guys will not have Spain going in as well. It's all quiet.
Yeah. Yeah, they're serious cables above your head.
We need to go to that side of the wall now and through. Unless the door around there's open. But the second hook's right there.
Yeah.
That is a door, but I don't know if it opens or not.
They did, but I don't know which one they tried.
Which way did they get in?
They said a blue door.
Blue door? It's got the one longer, isn't it?
Can we try it? Because there's a staircase at that end, isn't there?
We get to this wall this way. Look, if we go across and then.
Distance is our friend, we're better off from here.
Yeah, I think we'll get swimming that way. Oh shit, yeah. He's working, isn't he? Sketchy.
Right, you spun round this. That was very close to me.
Close to me.